TRX is that one time in your career, maybe twice in your career, where you actually see something that came out as a concept, and then the production vehicle is just as cool as the concept. Like, you didn't lose any of the essence of what the concept was. At the time the Rebel was done, a lot of questions were asked about what is the furthest we can really take this truck. It didn't come until about summer of 2016. We were given the assignment to build a show truck for the State Fair of Texas. State Fair of Texas in October. This assignment came down in July of 2016. We just were on a mad scramble to get the thing done. So we just went and filled our heads with all of the coolest imagery we could. We had always been thinking about what this truck could be, but we were sort of given the green light to really go and go fast. These trucks are inspired by trophy trucks. It's all about the tire size, suspension travel, big horsepower. We knew we needed to have all those things. We were able to really wrap that body around and create all of the drama that you see here. It's the most dramatic pickup truck I've seen. I'm very proud of that. The truck is quite a bit wider. There's some aerodynamic impacts that creates, and especially here at the corners, you tend to get these high pressure areas. So one of the areas where design and engineering worked pretty closely together was to figure out how to alleviate some of that. And it worked out really well because it looks cool, but it's also functional. So you get an air pressure relief through this curtain here that comes out of this vent on the back of the fender. You'll notice we've also scaled up the size of the REM badge. It's a flow-through style design, so the truck requires a ton of air coming up through both underneath this header and then in through the hood scoop. In order to get that flow, we had to open these letters up, which actually aesthetically helps differentiate it from the other trucks as well. It's just a little bit wider, a little bit more proud. It's evolving the look of the Ram brand, even just in that one little detail. Underneath this lower portion of the bumper, there's actually a full skid plate that continues through, so that's another differentiator from a Rebel. It's a functional skid plate because of the capabilities that this truck is designed to achieve. For me personally, and I think for the Ram team, it's this pinnacle statement for not only for where Ram has been, but where it wants to go. This is the new face of Ram, and I think it's pretty powerful.